Okay, let's see if this is the workspace that you are talking about. Solving an inequality. So using this animation, but I'm going to skip that part. So it says to solve the inequality, 278 times W is greater than or equal to 23,232. You can divide both sides of the inequality by 278. So when we divide both sides by 278, you'll get the width of the park W is greater than or equal to approximately 83.6 yards. Okay. Use the number lines to complete the sentence. So the solution to the inequality 278 times W is greater than 23,232 is represented on the number line which is B, and which is I'm done. Okay, now let's look at this one. Mr. James has 4 grandchildren who likes to guess his age. He tells them that he will be at least 75 years old in 9 years. The grandchildren tries to guess his age today. The set of their guesses is shown: 64, 66, 75, and 84. Mr. James' age can be represented by the inequality G plus 9 is greater than or equal to 75. Oscar, you want to go check who it is? Which guess or guess represent the solution of the inequality? The solution of the inequality is the set of values that make the inequality true. Let's substitute the value in the set of guess 64, 66, 75, and 84 for G in the inequality G plus 9 is greater than or equal to 75. So what they did was they substituted everything for G. So they put G for 64. So they said 64 plus 9. Is it greater than or equal to 75? No. So 64 is not a solution. Now they put 66. 66 plus 9. Is it greater than or equal to 75? Well, it is equal to 75. So yes, 66 is a solution. So 66 is a solution to the inequality. Now they said 75. 75 plus 9, which is 84. Is 84 greater than or equal to 75? 84 is greater than 75. So it is a solution to G plus 9, which is greater than or equal to 75. And then the last one, which is 84. 84 plus 9, which is 93. 93 is greater than 75. So 84, when you plug in 84 for G, it gives you 93. So 84 is a solution for this inequality G plus 9 greater than or equal to 75. So over here, study the work example and then complete each sentence. The solution of the inequality is the set of the values that make the inequality true. The values blank from the set of the guesses represent the solution of the inequality. So now they're asking which one of them represents the solution, meaning which one of these 64, 66, 75, and 84 would be a good solution for the inequality G plus 9 is greater than 75. And if you look over here, it would be 66, 75, and 84. And then Mr. James is, what can we say about Mr. James? Mr. James can be 66 years old or older. He can't be 66 years old and younger, because the solutions would be 66, 75, and 84. So he could be 66 and older. So now let's look over here. Determine which of the given sets is a solution to each inequality. Here we have a plus 0 is less than 13. A could be 4, 9, 13, 21, 25. A can be 13. A can be 10, 11, 12. Or A can be 13, 14, 15, so forth and so forth. So if I look over here, if I do 4, A for 4, A plus 0, which is 4. 4 plus 0, which is 4 less than 13? Yes. How about 9? 9 plus 0. Is 9 less than 13? Yes. How about 13? Is 13 plus 0? Is 13 less than 13? No. How about 21? 21 plus 0. Is 21 less than 13? No. So this set of solution, that first one, I could cross this first one out. This is not the right one. How about this one? So here I'm at the second choice, which is just 13. Okay? 13, A could be 13. So I'm going to plug in, I'm going to substitute A for 13. A could be 13. All right. 13 plus 0. Is 13 plus 0 less than 13? 13 plus 0 is 13. 13 is 13 less than 13? No. So that can't be a good choice. This one over here reads 12, 11, 10. Anything before 10. So this one reads 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So we could try this one and then see if all of our guesses would work. Okay? 12, let's substitute all of these numbers from 12 to 1 or 12 to 0 for A and see if they are good solutions for this inequality. 12 plus 0, is it less than 13? So 12 plus 0 is 12. Is it less than 13? Yes. How about 11 plus 0? 11 plus 0 is 11. Is 11 less than 13? Yes. How about 10 plus 0? 10 plus 0 is 10. Is 10 less than 13? Yes. Now this ... that means go down. That means 9, 8, 7. If I were to continue that, all those numbers before 10, that would fit the inequality. 9 is a solution for A plus 0. Because if I said 9 was A, 9 plus 0 would be less than 13. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 is less than 13. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 is less than 13. So this would be a good choice. Now, if I look at this choice over here, 13, 14, 15, this ... would mean, okay, you keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But if I look over here, this would not be a good choice because 13 plus 0 is 13. Well, we already talked about how 13 is not a good solution because 13 is not less than 13. Now, if I looked at 14, 14 plus 0 is not less than 14. It's not less than 13 because 14 plus 0 is 14. 14 is not less than 13. 15 plus 0 is 15. 15 is not less than 13. So the only good choice, the only good set of choice for that good for the good inequality is this one. Okay? I hope that helps you out. Hit me up if you need more examples.